For homeowners in Doral, Florida, window replacement or installation is an important investment. While it may be tempting to save money by attempting a do-it-yourself (DIY) approach, professional window installation offers numerous advantages that make it the smarter choice. Here's why hiring a professional for window installation in your Doral home is a decision you won't regret. Ensures proper installation. Windows are complex components of your home's structure, and proper installation is critical to their performance. Professional installers have the skills, training, and experience to ensure windows are installed correctly, taking precise measurements and following manufacturer guidelines. Improper installation can lead to drafts, water leaks, and operational problems, ultimately costing you more in repairs and energy bills. Professionals ensure that every step, from preparation to sealing, is done right the first time. Maximizes energy efficiency. Doral's warm climate and high humidity make energy efficiency a top priority for homeowners. Properly installed windows play a crucial role in maintaining indoor comfort and reducing your energy bills. Professionals understand the nuances of weatherproofing and insulation, ensuring that your new windows create a tight seal that prevents air leakage. This helps your HVAC system work more efficiently, keeping your home cool in the summer and reducing energy costs. Improves home security. Security is a key concern for any homeowner. Professional window installers know how to ensure that windows are correctly fitted, secure, and aligned with locking mechanisms. A poorly installed window can be an easy entry point for intruders. Professional installers use advanced techniques and tools to enhance the security of your windows, giving you peace of mind that your home is well protected. Offers access to high-quality products. When you hire a professional window installation service, you gain access to a wider range of high-quality products. Professional installers often work directly with manufacturers, offering you options for windows that meet your needs for durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. They can recommend specific types of windows based on your home's architecture, your climate, and your budget. This expertise ensures that you're getting the best products on the market for your investment. Provides expert advice and custom solutions. Every home is unique, and the same applies to window installation needs. Professionals have the expertise to assess your home's specific requirements and recommend tailored solutions. Whether you need custom-sized windows, impact-resistant glass for hurricane protection, or specific styles to match your interior design, professional installers can provide customized options that enhance both the function and beauty of your home. Saves time and reduces stress. Window installation is a time-consuming task, especially for those without experience. DIY installation can lead to unexpected delays, complications, and added costs. By hiring professionals, you can avoid these headaches and enjoy a hassle-free experience. Professional installers work efficiently, adhering to a timeline and ensuring minimal disruption to your daily routine. Their experience enables them to anticipate and resolve issues quickly, so you can enjoy your new windows sooner. Protects your warranty. Most high-quality windows come with warranties from the manufacturer. However, these warranties are often contingent on professional installation. Improper DIY installation can void your warranty, leaving you without protection if a problem arises. By choosing a professional installer, you ensure that your warranty remains valid, giving you long-term coverage for repairs or replacements if needed. Minimizes risk of injury or damage. Installing windows requires handling heavy glass and using specialized tools, which can pose risks for those without proper training. Professional installers have the necessary equipment and safety protocols to complete the job without putting themselves or your property at risk. Avoid the danger of accidents, damage, or injury by leaving window installation to skilled professionals. Offers post-installation support. Another advantage of professional window installation is the support you receive after the job is done. If you encounter any issues or have questions about your windows, reputable installers provide follow-up services and support. This ongoing assistance can give you peace of mind and help you maintain your windows in excellent condition. Boosts home value and curb appeal. Professionally installed windows not only enhance your home's functionality but also elevate its appearance. High-quality, well-installed windows improve curb appeal and contribute to the overall aesthetic of your home. Should you decide to sell, the improved efficiency and attractiveness of your professionally installed windows can be a major selling point, boosting the value of your property. Conclusion. Investing in professional window installation for your Doral home ensures superior results, enhanced energy efficiency, and improved security while protecting your warranty and saving you time. By trusting the experts, you maximize the value of your new windows, enjoy long-term benefits, and avoid the potential pitfalls of DIY installation. In the end, professional installation is a smart, worthwhile investment for any homeowner looking to make lasting improvements to their property.